Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make shorts for YouTube Growth 2025, a complete walkthrough. So guys, YouTube shorts are one of the fastest ways to grow on YouTube in 2025. In this video I'll show you a step by step how to make your shorts that will get views, subscribers, and help your channel grow basically. So basically, if you were to open up your browser and simply log on to YouTube. Now, before we get into shorts, just click on your profile icon at the top right, click on this, and then go ahead and open up the YouTube Studio. So make sure you have a YouTube account and right click and just open up YouTube Studio in a new link. Now, let's head over to shorts and see what's trending. We're going to be taking inspiration from some of the most trending shorts in existence or right now. As you can see, these are the shorts that are trending. You can see the title that's being used. You can see the like, the dislike, comments, share, remix. This channel or this person is actually really doing good for themselves. It's one of those big creators. Now, if you're looking to have growth like this, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need the following. You're going to need to have clear audio on your videos. You're going to also need to have videos that keep retention, that keep people's attention on high, and also videos that keep people wanting more of your videos. All right, so as you can see here, shorts are basically vertical videos. I think the aspect ratio is a phone's aspect ratio, basically. Shorts are kind of like designed for phones. As you can see, it doesn't fit into this desktop screen. It's basically designed for phones, and these are one of the fastest ways to grow your audience. Though you could grow your audience with normal YouTube videos, but this is one of the fastest ways to do it, especially if you're sharing things that matter, things like entertainment, comedy, movies. A lot of people are hooked with movies, so you could try working with that option. But that depends on the niche you're working through. You could, be in a niche like tech, making tutorials, making a lot of videos, vlogs and things like that. So sometimes the audio matters a lot. The audio, the thumbnail, the music, that's the music you select for your background, also matters. Something that just keeps people hooked. And like I said, you just need to focus on one clear idea. You just need to know what you want to be making. This creator known as Al Jokes simply makes YouTube content, funny content. While this creator here, you can see he still has a small number of followings. Uh, the title is shown, his channel is shown as well. You can see this is basically a football video game. Not many people watch this, and most times it can be accustomed to your region. Sometimes your region does not allow you to push past a certain amount of followers on YouTube Shorts. That's why you have to maybe make use of VPNs and things of that nature. But besides that, you could also try using a hook in the first 3 seconds, like maybe asking them a question, a bold statement, or a surprise. You could also have examples. An example is maybe saying something like, here's the fastest way to create a YouTube banner. That's if you're making a how-to channel. Or stop doing this now and if you want your videos to grow. Let's say you're a motivational speaker or creator on YouTube. Just basically make sure your YouTube videos are good. Make sure your YouTube videos aren't the best, but they're good enough to be posted. Now, like I said, YouTube Shorts are in a 9:16 aspect ratio. That's vertical for phone size. So make sure your videos are cut across this phone size. Just make sure they are across the phone size. And also make sure you're editing your videos properly without having these extra cuts that make people not want to watch your videos if your videos have issues. And also try to edit for engagement. So keep it fast because YouTube shorts are either limited to 1 minute or more. Also add text overlays to highlight keywords. Like some people like to read with the subtitles attached to the videos. So make sure you have some subtitles attached to your videos. And also thumbnails. Thumbnails are a really important part of your video, especially thumbnails, tags, and descriptions, as well as the title. So make sure your keyword is rich and it also includes what you're trying to talk about. Like this creator here, he put in R9 is broken and made sure he had the picture of Ronaldo Nazario here to kind of like showcase what he's talking about by saying R9 is broken. And you can see R9 in the video creating some goals and chances. So with different creators, you have different kind of contents. Like this is a movie. You can see here he does include the subtitle. You can see the subtitle is included. You can see his likes would improve as well. YouTube is buffering a bit on my end, but basically that is what you would be expecting from YouTube. You can see cucumber water for customers only, and it's the Better Call Saul. This kind of like keeps people's attention going. You can see his likes, you can see comments, and if you go into comments, you're basically gonna see what people like about the video. Just trying to make sure you work hand in hand with your viewers to try and like bring out the best of your content. And now, a growth strategy you could try is 3 to 5 YouTube shorts weekly for consistency. Mix the shorts, make it both long form content, short form content. Repurpose your shorts on TikTok and IG, as most times you wouldn't even get noticed on the platform you're trying to work on. You could end up having 1 million followers on Instagram, whereas you were expecting to get 1 million followers on YouTube. So just try and put yourself out there, basically. And also funnel your viewers through uh, shorts. Shorts would bring attention to your long form content as well. And also try to check your YouTube analytics, your content shorts, basically. So let's head over to YouTube analytics. That's your channel dashboard. You can see in your channel analytics, you have your number of subscribers. You also have your views, your watch times. Try to improve both your views, your watch times. Most times you might need to pay for ads. I wouldn't condemn paying for ads, but you should pay for ads if you're looking to create that push for your videos. And also make sure your content is up to date. Make sure you're on the latest memes, the latest trends. Make sure all of that is working. Make sure in your descriptions, you add descriptions to your videos. And also head over to analytics if you want to kind of like check some key metrics out, like your retention, like the views, the watch time, the subscribers in the last 28 days. For your content, if you check channel analytics for content, you can see your views, impressions, that's click through, average view duration. You can now check through your audience. Just keep track of all of this. Audience by watcher behavior, popular with different audiences. When your viewers are on YouTube, the time that they are usually on YouTube, and channel your audience watchers. So basically, YouTube kind of like curates everything you need to know about your audience so you can get like a feel of your audience and know when to post your videos. This is basically what this shows: watch time for subscribers, when to showcase your videos, their age and their gender, uh, what your audience watches, format your viewers on YouTube, and also the device type where they watch from. So you can kind of like curate your videos to their device types. And yeah, so to grow your shorts in 2025, just plan with one idea: record vertical videos under 60 seconds, edit them to have hooks and captions, and upload them with the hashtag that says shorts. And also make sure you stay consistent with your posting. Do not miss a day, as that is always important. And if you do miss a day, make sure you make up for it with lovely content. All right, guys. So if this helped, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and comment your first short idea down below and subscribe. Thank you.